This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Hey guys, so recently Rubens sent me this amazing gift box filled with watercolor goodies and I was so excited to open it. So we've got the small watercolor set. It's the 5th generation artist level solid watercolor pigment with 12 vibrant colors. There's this bigger solid watercolor thing. I wasn't sure what it was first, but after checking the back, I found out it's the Ding series solid watercolor paint in ceramic dish. I'm not sure when I'll use it yet, but I'm definitely curious to try it out soon. Then we have a watercolor pad that's 100% cotton, hot pressed with 20 pages. It's 16K size and I wondered why the sides are glued. Apparently it's to prevent buckling and help it dry flat with heavy washes. There's also another pack of watercolor paper and it has like bits of glitters. So I'm gonna use the materials for this painting of Jay from enhypen. I pre-sketched it last night. The brushes are so soft and lightweight compared to the ones I usually use. They're incredibly smooth and hold a ton of water, which makes the painting process feel super satisfying. Before we continue to the painting, let me take a moment to thank today's sponsor, Squarespace. I've been using Squarespace to build my website, and it's been such a game changer. It's perfect for creating a professional looking site without needing a lot of tech know-how. One feature I love is their design intelligence tool. It helps you pick layouts, fonts, and colors based on your site's theme, so you can get a polished look right from the start. If you're into e-commerce, Squarespace Payments makes it easy to accept payments directly on your site, offering a seamless checkout experience for your customers. And their built-in SEO tools mean you can boost your site's visibility without needing extra plugins. It's truly an all-in-one platform to keep your website functional and stylish. If you're interested, then start your free trial today at squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, visit squarespace.com/pateseich to save 10% off your first website or domain purchase. Huge thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video.